Creating a will might feel overwhelming, but LegalZoom makes the process simple and affordable. To get started, go to LegalZoom's website and select Last Will and Testament. You'll answer a series of guided questions, things like your name, marital status, whether you have kids, and who you want to name as your executor. You'll also decide how to distribute your assets, name guardians for your children if needed, and specify any special wishes. The entire questionnaire takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Once you're done, LegalZoom generates a personalized, state specific will based on your answers. You can choose to receive it by mail or instantly download a digital copy. From there, you'll need to print it, sign it in front of witnesses, and possibly get it notarized, depending on your state's requirements. LegalZoom also offers optional attorney support if you want a lawyer to review your will or answer any questions during the process. If you're ready to protect your loved ones and ensure your wishes are honored, this one is for the most easiest and most cost effective ways you can start with. Found this helpful? Tap like, subscribe for more legal breakdowns, and drop a comment if you want a step by step guide on how completing your will.